Assalamualaikum and good evening everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to use my product. Okay, first click this is the home page. As you can see, this is the overview of my project, and this is the title, who is the killer, and a little bit description about my product, and the project mission or the objective of my product. There I put here 3 objectives, and the content of my project, which are interactive movie and games. There are 3 types of game. For interactive movie is for presentation stage. This stage is where the student receive the input of concept of preposition of place, and then this game is for practice stage to test the students knowledge about the preposition of place. And the last item in the home page is the picture that I put here is actually the overview of my product. Okay, next there are so how to use my product. So as you can see on the top of the page, there are 2 types of item. The first one, interactive movie and game. So you need to click interactive movie. Okay, tada. This is the description of the product and the picture what is in my product. Okay, then this is the slide. You need to click pop-up button, then it will link to other page. Then you need to click download button and wait for a while, then click open with and okay, and wait for a while to get for it completed, for the download complete. So after the download is complete, you click the file. So you can see, okay, then you click slideshow, and now you can enjoy interactive movie. So interactive movie has dictionary function, so you can go and check the words that you don't understand and close. It has pause button, play button, and also skip button. Okay, you can skip. Okay, you can pause the video, and okay, this is the natural version. Okay, after you finish using interactive movie, you can go back to the website and proceed to the practice stage, which is game. Okay, let's play game. So this is the description of the product, and just like interactive movie, you need to click pop-up button, and it will lead to this page, and click download button and wait for a while. Okay, click open with and okay, and wait the product to finish. Okay, after finish the download, you can click the file gamification. After you click the file, click presentation button, so you can play the game now. It has 3 level difficulty, so you need to finish all this is the level, and then you complete the task, then you will be complete the task. Okay.